Hello everybody, this is Dr. Whipple. I'm sending this video message to you on Monday, November 23rd. I wanted to just talk to you, say hello, as well as give you a couple of updates on what's going to be going on the rest of the semester. First of all, to answer a question that's already been asked, yes, paper 4 is indeed due tomorrow. Okay, I pushed the due date back so that you'd have a little extra more time on it, but it is due tomorrow. The due date for weekly comment 8 has been pushed way back. It's now due the Tuesday after Thanksgiving break. It's due on Tuesday, December 1st. So you have plenty of time to complete that. I've made it a little bit more challenging, but also a lot more interesting for you to work on, asking you to decide how you would spend $10 million of donating money to which sustainability or environmentally focused organizations. So, take a look at that. I need to remind you that also that our next class meeting is on Thursday, December 3rd from 2 to 3:15. That's 2 to 3:15 in our regular classroom, which is the lab, the studio, Epley 119. So I look forward to seeing you there. So please mark your calendars for that. That's going to be our next, also in our last class meeting. That'll be the Thursday of the week of the next to last week before class. So Thursday, the December 3rd. Okay, we will, among other things, do the course instructor evaluation, or I will encourage you to be able to do it online, and I will of course leave the room when that's done so that you can do it fairly. If any of you have any questions about anything at all, you are certainly welcome to meet with me. I will be happy to meet with you during our class time, or including our class time on Tuesday, which we won't be there, but I can certainly meet you during that time if you wish. I have finished with all of the video comments for paper number 2. And I should finish with most of the video comments for paper number 3 by the end of today or tomorrow. So all of the outstanding papers, all of the papers left to be graded, to be commented on, will be commented by the time that Thanksgiving break starts. You will have turned in paper number 4, and I, of course, will be commenting on that over Thanksgiving break. So everything should be done and tucked up and tied up and taken care of by the time you get for Thanksgiving break, which will give you 2 full weeks actually to work on your revisions of your final your 2 final portfolio papers. Remember that the final portfolio is your choice of 2 of the 4 drafts that you've done so far. Okay. Remember also that you have to do all 4 of those drafts and the 2 revisions plus the weekly comments in order to receive, a passing grade for this class. Ignore the phone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, with those last 2 weeks, please feel free to come in and talk to me. The 2 weeks after Thanksgiving break, please feel free to come in and talk with me about your papers, about revising, which ones you want to choose to revise, how you need to revise them. As you have seen, my comments usually go toward the meat or the main focus of what needs revising. Okay, I have to say that a number of you have done some very creditable drafts so far this semester, but there's no paper that doesn't need revising. So I'll be happy to talk with you about what you can do to push the paper further, to take those extra picky steps to hone and focus your papers just exactly the way that an audience will really receive them. All right? Thanks very much. If you're traveling for the holidays and if you're in a car, please drive safely. I'd like to see you all back and safe and sound after the Thanksgiving break. In any case, please have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye-bye.